Hello again, fellow traders. Welcome to Porsaj Academy. My name is Simon and this is today's second signal. Today's signal is going to be on XAGUSD, aka silver per dollar. And as always, as we all know, we have to go to our calendars. So without any more time to waste, let's head there and see what we have. Okay, now that we are on calendar, as you can see, currently the buyer side is much more stronger than the seller side. And what am I seeing here? Due to the summary of forecasting of this commodity, it shows that it's going to actually experience a downfall to the downside because of the news that it's having currently in this week. But what I'm hoping from this is that this commodity is going to move to the upside in the next week. So let's hope for that. And we need some technical analysis as well, because news are not enough. So let's head to the chart and see what we have. Okay, now that we are on the chart, as you can see, we are on XAGUSD, silver per dollar on 1 hour time frame. And I have pre-drawn some zones for you. This blue zone, as always, is a trading zone. This green zone is actually great support. I can show you. As you can see, the price was pumped up right from above here. So this shows us that this is a great support. And as you can see, the market has gotten a lot of money since this break to the downside, and now it has actually the momentum to start moving to the upside. And I am seeing some positive signals that are showing a bullish momentum is going to happen. So without further to say, sit back, enjoy the music so I can make this more beautiful for you guys. Enjoy. Okay, now that we have this beautiful setup, as always, I just wanted to end the video with this beautiful quote. Forex trading is like a journey, and the most successful traders are those who enjoy the ride. Have a good day and peace.